Nobody wows clients like we do.
Meteorologist Angelica Campos keeping an eye on the east in Hurricane Laura. Angelica.
Hi, Kim, and unsurvivable. People probably wondering, what does that mean? Imagine a wall 20 feet high of water heading in your direction. That's exactly what they're getting ready for. Storm surge is going to be the biggest threat with this hurricane, but hurricane force winds extend about 70 miles per hour outside of the eye of the storm, which means it's going to be impacting many people. Plus, looking at up to 15 inches of rain on top of that 20 feet high wall of water, you can only imagine how much flooding and the devastation that is going to create in this part of the country that's already so susceptible and so close to the water. It is a Category 4, very close to a Category 5, just to kind of keep things in perspective. The latest report, the winds went up to 150 miles per hour, and it will be making landfall overnight. So overnight, threats are even more dangerous because we're not going to see all the damage until tomorrow. But severe weather is another concern. It always happens with hurricanes and tropical systems. But again, the biggest threat is storm surge and flooding. Then after that is the wind. Here at home, a little cloudy in PB. The marine layer came back, but it didn't keep temperatures from warming up. It did make it to 99 degrees in Valley Center today, 94 in Santee. Right now in the upper 80s across our inland communities and low 70s for the coast. Excessive heat warning will be in effect for another day for our deserts, but the air is drier. You can see that relative humidity dropping to 10%, 20%, so that indicating no chance for thunderstorms. But the marine layer is back. Plenty of moisture right along the coast. That will continue, so if it feels a bit muggy in the mornings or even later in the day, of course, we have the ocean right there and the water's still pretty warm. Overnight lows falling into the low 70s, inland communities upper 60s, before temperatures heat back up for one more day. A downward trend starting Friday with 70s for the weekend along the coast, and next week it'll trend slightly below the normal. So looking at the big picture, mid-90s tomorrow, by Saturday, 90 degrees inland, next week upper 80s. So talk about improvement here. In the mountains, 91 on Thursday, mid-80s for the weekend, and looking much drier, so no real threat of thunderstorms in the near future. In the deserts, it'll be sunny, averaging around 115, maybe even higher than that in some parts, but expecting temperatures to improve, and the excessive heat warning will be ending at 8 o'clock tomorrow evening.
Improvement, that's the word we like to hear. Thank you.